you kind of get something new, something really fresh.
London's a perfect place to start an entrepreneurial adventure.
We have this ability to just go out, not be afraid to fail, and just see what happens, see what you can make, see what you can discover along the way. And I think that's really exciting about student entrepreneurship.
Shoreditch is a great area where you have so many startups that are developing in a new way. It's kind of the Silicon Valley of London.
Being able to combine the workload of your academic studies with trying to set up a business is challenging on the one hand, but on the other side, you get to meet a huge variety of people.
That international platform to meet people who are talented, who are passionate, and who want to solve a problem.
Get inspired, motivated every day, and just this sheer amount of access you can get of knowledge and connections is absolutely amazing.
There's opportunities around every corner, there's people who are excited, there's people who are going to challenge you.
I think there's loads of opportunities to connect to people who are quite fundamental in the industry. I mean, to be able to meet VCs, meet people who are currently building their own organizations.
And so if these startups or these young entrepreneurs were looking for mentors, we're looking for spaces, places where they can connect with these incredible upcoming startups, there's no better place.